What's up everybody, Dees here, and today we're doing crispy chicken wings in the air fryer. If you haven't already done so, make sure you subscribe to the channel, and once I show you how to do it, you'll know how to do it. So let's get started. What you're gonna need is some chicken wings, some cornstarch, and your favorite spice blend. I'm using my own, which is the 705 blend. You can pick that up on my website, or you can use whatever you got. So what you're going to do is add the cornstarch directly to your chicken. You want to completely coat it, give it a good mix. You don't want to make it too clumpy, but you want to make sure that your chicken is completely coated with it, because that's what's going to give it that crispiness. Once you do that, you want to go ahead and add in your favorite spice blend. I'm using my own spice blend, the 705 Just Nice blend. And you don't want to go too crazy with the seasoning, because like what I said in my previous video, you can never take back too much salt or too much seasoning, so it's always better to just be conservative, and if you need to, you can add some extras at the end. So if you have Pam, you can go ahead and use Pam to spray your racks. I don't have Pam on me, unfortunately, so I'm going to go ahead and just coat them with some vegetable oil and make sure it's completely coated before I put my chicken wings on. Now when you're putting your chicken wings on, give them some space. Chicken wings don't like to be crowded, so give them some space so that they can crisp up and they don't get stuck all together. Now I'm using the Power XL 10 quart air fryer. It comes with 3 racks, so there's plenty of room to put all my chicken wings in. One of my favorite features with this actual air fryer is that you have a nice clear window, so you can actually watch your food cook and you know exactly when to change them, when to flip them over. So we're going to go ahead and push the quick function button, which is a little chicken of an icon, which will set the temperature to 370 for 40 minutes. And then at 20 minutes, we're going to go ahead and flip them. And I also like to rotate the rack. So I take the top rack, I put it at the bottom, the middle rack, I put it at the top, and vice versa. So there you go. Nice and crispy, nice and done. After 40 minutes, they're perfectly coated, golden brown, and cooked all the way through. So very little oil on the actual chicken, all of it being contained on that drip pan at the very bottom. Now I've actually taken an additional step and covered mine up with foil just to make cleaning as easy as possible. So I'm going to go ahead and plate them, put them directly into my little miniature fry basket that I got. And one of the things that I love about making videos around things that I enjoy is that I get to eat every single bit of it. I do share some of it with my family, but the majority does stay with me. So there you guys have it, some beautiful crispy chicken wings. You can see it's completely cooked all the way through. And I'm gonna sit back and enjoy this. This is great for sporting events, just watching TV, enjoying yourself. If you haven't already done so, you know what I always say, subscribe to the channel, and I'll see you guys next time. Be safe and take care.